we have just checked out of our 8th country, the Kingdom of Tonga. So we're gonna pick up some last minute provisions. All right, last minute, I'm trying to get this video uploaded. We're trying to make a spreadsheet and our friends called and they want to go out here and do this one snorkel with us for a last time before we have to separate after 4 long months.
So we just got finished with Mariner's Cave. We're heading over here to Swallow's Cave. An epic last day with all of our friends.
It's a bittersweet day.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way. We got what it takes. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
It is a wet and intermittently rainy day here. We just had a buddy boat Chinook come over because they're gonna probably go, they're going to Fiji with us. So we were trying to passage plan to see what point of entry do we want to do, what Yasawa Islands are we gonna hit, because we're gonna have to skip the Lao group. But he went in to check on checking out because today is Friday and it's always more expensive if you try and check out on the weekends. So he just called us quickly on the radio and said, let's go into town, we need to check out today. So that we can possibly head out for Sunday or Monday passage over to Fiji.
Yep.
So today's a big day for Neafu. There's 2 cruise ships, one here and one way out there because it's too big to get in here. We're gonna go up to Customs and Immigration and try and check out.
Disney World? Oh, Disney World.
All right, we have just checked out of our 8th country, the Kingdom of Tonga. Very, very beautiful place. We're finding all these countries. We think there's a little bit of, well, pretty sure there's a lot of, well, corruption going on because one cruiser pays one thing, another cruiser pays another thing. Someone gets on their boat and asks for a fishing rod or for, I don't know, just a lot of discrepancies and things that you pay for customs, immigration, checkout fees, that kind of thing. Which is frustrating, but, you know, just, I guess, small thing we have to deal with. So we're gonna pick up some last minute provisions before we take off from the market. Thank you. Malo. Ma'am?
You have to speak in Tonga.
Malo, that's my only word. Sorry.
Thank you.
Malo. Thank you, thank you. Do you want barbecue?
You get one mixed barbecue?
Malo.
So with all the cruise ships in today, there was a lot of street vendors and stuff, and so we got Tongan mixed barbecue. So it's
Which looks really, really good.
trying to figure out what everything is. I know there's chicken in here, and this is maybe yuca or something. Not sure. It's crab meat.
Ooh,
Imitation
yum.
crab. This is pork. It looks like. It's good.
So thumbs up.
Thumbs up on the pork, and then we got Davis. We got your favorite hot dog. A weenie. All right, we're getting ready to leave Tonga, but the first thing I wanted to do before we did that was change out our jack lines because you know they're frayed and everything, and we need one broke already. So I want to go ahead and get those changed out. That's what I'm working on right now, and I'm actually splicing the line together right here, And once that gets, once I go a couple more rounds, we'll go ahead and thread the new line up through the mast here, and then bring it back down and tie it off, and then work on the bands that come up and down that hold the sail bag. All right, so we've got them bound together. We're gonna go ahead and pull it through and get the new line all situated up inside the mast. There's the new line. It's going in. And I'm putting a stopper knot in the bottom of this so it doesn't go through the mast, doesn't get pulled through the mast when I'm working on it. We'll take off the lashing. Tie it around the same area. All right, just 3 more lines to go. Nothing like having a hot knife on a boat. What I did here was I ran a new line alongside the old line so I know exactly where the lines go through everything. So now I'm gonna remove the old line off, and now we'll just have the new lines on our jack line, and we'll lift them up, and hopefully everything should be fine, and we'll have brand new lines that's gonna last for another 5 years. Check that out. All right, all the new jack lines are installed and we are done. I would like to say a big thank you to Ben for shooting us over some moolah in order to get that done. Certainly appreciate it, and it's a big thank you from the crew here on Paradise Falls. Thank you. Yeah, this is Paradise Falls. We enjoyed our brief time here, and we are heading out today to Fiji.
Well, I am glad you had time to pencil us in your busy schedule, and I hope you have a safe trip and full sails and calm seas. Should be carry on with your vacation. So good on you. Not everybody gets to do the things that you people are doing. Have a great trip.
So we are leaving for Fiji in the morning, and we have been told there's a sailing Fiji group or Southwest Pacific group to make sure that you make a spreadsheet and put every single thing, all food items, medication, controlled substances, eggs, so everything in like your pantry. So we're going through cleaning out all of our pantry stuff. So we have like all the seats open. We're finding stuff we haven't seen in a year, and then going through our refrigerator and making a list of everything we had so we can make sure that we don't have any illegal stuff or questionable stuff, or at least if they said if you declare it, you should be okay. It's going into Australia that we can't have a lot of certain foods, and I'll go over that in the next video. But this morning is a work day, trying to get a video finished for tomorrow and trying to get this done so we can leave for Fiji. All right, last minute, I'm trying to get this video uploaded. We're trying to make a spreadsheet, and our friends called and they want to go out here and do this one snorkel with us for last time before we have to separate after 4 long months. So we're gonna stop what we're doing and try and enjoy the rest of the day we have here in Tonga. We jumped on our buddy boat and headed out to explore some caves. So we've got 4 divers that are gonna go in the water here. Rob and Davis and I and Beth and Landon have elected not to dive. We're just gonna hang out for our last day together. But it's stunningly beautiful and crystal clear water. And now the snorkelers are going to go into Mariner's Cave, and Beth and Dave did it yesterday and said it was amazing, but you have to have a pretty good breath hold to go underneath some rocks and come up, so I'm gonna try it. All right, Rob is over there scoping it out because apparently you cannot see this hole from the outside. You just have to swim under. And they said if you can swim underneath a monohull keel, you can get into this cave. So we will see.
That dark spot, that's where you go, Mariner's Cave. A little quick dive under and you're in.
So you can't even see it from the top. I got it, yeah. No, I'm good. Now you can see it on the inside. It's gorgeous. And your ears are popping in here because of pressure when the waves come in and they go out. Definitely don't think Dave can do this. I think you're gonna go get Rob and have Rob do this. Woo! This reminds me of a Thunderball grotto, but not quite as pretty.
This kind of reminds me of
And now Davis is driving Dave's Leopard. We all look around, we're like, who's driving the boat? It's Davis. The reality of living on a boat, we just went around this island right here, and so we just got a whole bunch of wind, and it just blew like half the table over.
So we just got finished with Mariner's Cave. We're heading over here to Swallow's Cave. We're gonna try that out. It's been a fun day so far, and Davis is driving the boat up here.
Hanging out with Landon for the last time.
So this is gonna be an epic last day with all of our friends.
It's a bittersweet day.
Times and places are all in
Oh,
who you share them with.
look at a fish.
And it's like
Yep.
point is joy in who you share it with. Joy is who you
Davis and I
share
are
it with.
hanging out in a cave in a dinghy. How you like that?
And the
Pretty cool.
weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spend the week. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with. Yeah, now it's a moment and a moment.
Oh my gosh, that
Who you share it with.
is gorgeous.
I believe
Holy yeah.
what the point
That is so cool.
is enjoying who you share it with.
That's cool.
Joy is who you share it with.
These two are going to really miss each other. They have become more like brother and sister over the past 4 months. Goodness gracious, look how close these mooring balls are. Crazy close.
This is our last dinghy ride, you guys.
Last Davis Uber pickup.
Aww. For 6 months, you have picked us up, dropped us off.
I know.
First of all, because we didn't have a lunch to eat, and because we just enjoyed the chit-chat time on our way wherever we were going.
the company.
We did. And the fancy driving.
It's our last dinner, our third dinner at Kraken. We've enjoyed it that much.
It's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say, let's make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
I miss you guys.
All right, we're up on the Lido back.
Maggie finished.
And then our friend Chinook, he's leaving this morning, but we're gonna see him in Fiji. We'll see you in Fiji!
We got to do our thing one last time. What do we do? Wait, which one did we do?
Oh,
Wait.
it's that.
Oh, that. Okay. That. Yeah. No. And I want to hear your mom say that you're going whoop whoop to call them in, rein in the parents, okay?
So we just got back. Rob's raising the dinghy, getting everything ready. Just said goodbye to our buddy boats Warrior and our friends Bagia, and we are getting ready to sail to Fiji.
Isaiah, the closest boy to me, we became great friends, and so he left me a note and a friendship bracelet.
Which was so incredibly sweet. Just the people you come across out here just makes this life so meaningful.
Thank you, Isaiah.
Bye guys!
See you guys!
See you later!
Safe travels!
Bye guys! So that is the awesome thing about this life, is you make some really good friends and you become super close in a matter of short amount of time, and it's just, you know, God brought you guys together during a season of your life for a reason, and then you separate and you go your separate ways, but you know, it just makes this life worth living just for the people that you get to meet out here.